Want to transform your old Honda Pilot seats from this to this? Stay tuned. I'd like to thank Coverado for sending over these seat covers for review. I'm going to be installing these on my 2012 Honda Pilot with the LX trim level. The 12-year-old cloth seats in the Pilot were looking a bit tired, and Coverado came through to help. This is their universal fit 2-in-1 seat covers. The seat covers came in a nice zippered package. I opted for the black model with gray accents. Let's see, we have the instructions, 2 seat backs, 2 seat bottoms, 2 headrests, and some hardware. The materials and stitching look fantastic. They feel high quality. The seat covers are made of soft Nappa leather and also have a nice amount of additional foam. I confirmed they are airbag safe. Okay, let's get to the install. I performed the install on the driver's side, and I'm happy with the install process and the results. There is a little bit of room right here and at the headrest, being that this is a universal fit kit. That said, hopefully over time it'll become more form-fitting. All right, let's proceed with the step-by-step install process of the passenger side. Okay, let's start by removing the headrest. So push in this button right here and pull up. Take note of the airbag warning location. This is going to be on the outside of the passenger side. Slide on the seat back cover. And fasten the snaps near the headrest. Next, we're going to install the 3 plastic chucks. And pass them through from front to back. Unhook the elastic loop from the bottom of the factory seat. This will release the flap, then tuck the flap under the new seat cover. And this is what it looks like from behind. Now we're going to secure the seat back loops over the chucks. There are 2 of them. This will secure the seat back in place. Okay, I do want to call out that the Honda factory headrest does taper outwards at the bottom versus the Coverado seat cover is pretty much straight up and down. And install the top cover on the headrest. It is a bit of a tight fit. And once you get the seat cover on, tuck in the flap. It's secured via Velcro. And depress the button and reinsert the headrest. Okay, undo the clasps. And install the seat bottoms. After passing the straps from front to back, secure the latches. And do this for both sides. Alright, so these hooks are used to secure the seat bottoms. I'm going to use a pair of pliers just to separate them out just a bit. And there's 2 of them for each seat bottom. Next, we're going to attach the hooks to each one of the loops. Now we're going to attach the hooks to the seat bottoms and avoid securing them to wires. Alright, now let's tuck in the sides to clean things up a bit. And this particular model does have a 2-in-1 feature. So within this pocket is this flap attached via Velcro. And you have two designs. And both the seat covers, the passenger and driver, have these nice pockets. That's always nice to have. The seats look new and definitely have a more premium feel. Coverado does offer seat covers for specific vehicles as well as universal covers. Their website has a feature where you can enter in your vehicle specs, and it recommends a specific seat cover for you. Okay, let me test it out for a few weeks and give you my final review. It's been nearly a month with the Coverado universal seat covers, and I've been very pleased with them. I've been in and out of the car hundreds of times, and the seat covers haven't shifted. Over time, the heat and use has gotten rid of the space between the cover and the seat back. So in conclusion, I've been extremely pleased with the Coverado universal seat covers, and they look considerably better than the 12-year-old cloth seats. I'll put a link of these covers as well as a link to Coverado below. If you found this video helpful, please consider clicking like, commenting, and becoming a subscriber. Thank you.